Hello friends, in this video come to know about exercise number 1.3 on sets. First question is make the correct statement by filling in the symbol subset or not a subset in the blank spaces. Is it 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 is a subset of this? Yes, because 1, 2, 3 have 1, 2, 3 have on the both sets. That was it is a subset of this set. Okay. Second question is it a comma b comma c is subset of b comma c comma d? Not, because here a is not present in the set, this set. Here b and c is present, but here d is present. That was it is not a subset of this. Third question is x says that x is a student of class 11th of your school. X is a student of a class 11th. After x says that x is a student of your school, it means a subset, because x is a student in the 11th class. Your whole school is representing, that was it is a subset. Fourth question is x says that x is a triangle in a plane. Is it a subset of x says that x is a rectangle in the plane? Here directly given that he is a triangle, this is a rectangle, that was it is a not subset of this set. After fifth question is x says that x is an even natural number. It is a subset of x says that x is an integer. Here even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Here integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. It means here have the even numbers, it also present in the integers. It means it is a subset. Okay. Second question is examine the whether the following statements are true or false. Okay. First one is it a comma b is a not a subset of b comma c comma a? This is false, because here a is present, a is present, b is present, b is present. This statement is wrong, it means it false. Second question is it a comma e is a subset of x says that x is a vowel in the English alphabet. The vowels are a, e, I, o, u. Here a, e are present, it means it's true. Third question is it 1, 2, 3 subset of 1, 3, 5? Not, because here 3 is present, 3 is present, but 1 is present, 1 is, but 2 is not present in this set. That why it is false statement. Is it fourth question a is a subset of a comma b comma c? Yes, this is true. Here a is present, a is present. Is it subset a belongs to a comma b comma c? This symbol is not used when the flower bucket is taken. This symbol is used when flower bucket is absent. Belongs to a. This is the correct. This is the wrong statement. That was it false. X says that x is an even natural number less than 6. Less than 6 even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6. Okay. And it subset of x says that natural number which divides 36. Yes, this is true, because 2 is divides 36, 4 is divides 36, 6 is divides 36. It means this statement is correct. Okay. Third question is let a equal to 1, 2 and flower bucket 3, 4 completed 5. Which of the following statement are incorrect and why? These are the problems. We find the incorrect statement on these problems. Let us see first one. Is it a 3, 4 subset of a? Yes, this is correct. Is it 3 and 4 is belongs to a? This is not correct to a. Written belongs to a. That was its wrong statement. And is it flower bucket? In flower bucket 3, 4 if flower bucket completed, is it subset of a? Yes, this is the correct way to write. Is it 1 belongs to a? Not, this is wrong. Is it 1 belongs to a? This is same or there, this is wrong. Is it 1, 2, 5 is subset of a? Yes, correct. 1, 2, 5 it is a subset of a. This is correct statement. Is it 1, 2, 5 belongs to a? Not, here the subset symbol will come the wrong statement. This is the wrong. Now later 1 2 is a subset of A. 1 2 3 is a subset of A. 1 2 3 3 is a double bracket, right? Double bracket, init bracket. That why this is a wrong statement. Is it empty belongs to A? This is wrong. Is it empty subset of A? This is correct. Is it flower bracket empty is subset of A? This is wrong. Third question is completed. The third answer is the correct statements. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. Fourth question is write down all subset of the following sets. First one is A. What are the subset of flower bracket A? First one itself is a subset, and second one empty is a subset. Okay. Second question is flower bracket A comma B. What are the subset of A comma B? First one A is a subset, second one B is a subset, and A comma B is a subset, and empty is a subset. There are 4 subset. Okay. Later third question is flower bracket 1 2 3. Write the subset of 1 2 3 elements. First one is a subset, 2 and 3. Later 1 2 1 3 and 2 1 2 3. After 3 1 and 3 2. These are the subset. Okay. Later we get fourth question. Fourth question is empty. It is one only. Empty is only one subset. Okay. Fifth question is how many elements has P of A if A equal to empty? If A equal to empty means P of A equal to empty means that was always P of A equal to always P of A equal to 1. Only one element. Later sixth question is write the following as intervals. First one is x such that x belongs to real number -4. X is less than -4. Okay, and x is less than 6, and this is equal to symbol. This means I made a video on the how to write intervals. This first one the answer is here. There is a no equal symbol means I will write this bracket -4 and this 6, this symbol. This is open interval, this is close interval. Second question is x such that x belongs to real number -12 is less than x and x is less than -10. It means here not have a equal symbol. That means I write only open brackets. Open bracket -12 comma -10. This is the answer. And third one is x such that x is belongs to a real number. 0 is less than and equal to x is less than 7. It means here equal to symbol means we write this bracket closed bracket 0 comma 7, this open bracket. After later that fourth question is x such that x belongs to R. 3 is less than x and equal to x and less than x equal to x4. It means 2 are this closed brackets 3 and 4. This is the answer for sixth questions. Okay. Seventh question is write the following intervals in the set builder form. First question is -3. This is what this open brackets are there. -3 comma 0. It means I will write x is that x belongs to real number. Okay, and 0 is less than x and x is less than -3 in the set builder form. Okay. Second question is x 6 comma 12 are there. Here two brackets, these two brackets are closed brackets. it means x such that x belongs to R, and here 6 is less than and equal to x, and x is less than equal to 12. This is the answer. Third question is this is open bracket 6 comma 12 and closed bracket. This symbol means equal to. Here x says that x belongs to R. These are the real numbers, okay? And 6 is less than x, and x is less than and equal to 12. This is the answer. Fourth question is this is closed bracket minus 23 and 5. It means x says that x belongs to R, and minus 23 is less than and belongs to x, and x is less than 5. Okay, this is answer for fourth question. Thank you.